Hello and welcome to GeriGuides. This is an introductory video on how to use the interactive flowchart with specific tips. The flowchart is your home base. I recommend making it full screen on your computer or phone. This gives you a brief general overview. Start at the top and follow the algorithm. If you reach a decision point where you need more explanation, click on the box to go to the corresponding page. For example, if you are familiar when to suspect delirium, move to the delirium assessment. Each page will have more information if you click on it. To return to the flowchart, click on the home icon in the upper right-hand corner. On each page, in addition to having additional information, you will also see hyperlinks that will take you to the primary literature that are included in the text and also on graphics and images. Clicking on them will take you to the citation provided. Please note that the slides are not necessarily in sequential order, so scrolling through the pages may not be a direct way to find the information. Instead, click on the relevant box. Finally, GeriGuides is being updated constantly to reflect the latest geriatric clinical practice. If you have any suggestions for improvement, please submit here. Thank you.